Happy Sunday! Happy October 1st! Oh my goodness, you guys, I haven't painted my nails for Vlogtober, which means I'm going to be doing one Halloween video a day, every day in October. Cross your fingers. I can do it. I am being tempted by Christmas, though. I've got an entire bag of Bath & Body Works Christmas right here. I'm so excited. So, I got Luminous today. Oh yeah, I didn't get the perfume, but look what I got. I got the new mist. Check out this lid. This lid is hot. It actually says Bath & Body Works on the top. This is kind of a game changer for Bath & Body Works, having new pretty lids. I am actually loving Luminous. It really smells good to me. This is the Ruby, Currant, Gilded Iris, and Praline Amber. I think it's a cousin to Dahlia, but probably tomorrow I will be doing a full review because it's supposed to launch tomorrow. So tomorrow's going to be Luminous Day, but I had to show you guys this lid. So I got Luminous in the mist. I got it in the body lotion. Look how pretty this is. I also got I got the body wash. It's not called shower gel anymore. It's called body wash. Look at this. It is so blingy and gorgeous in the shower gel. Oh my gosh, it smells really good too. I gotta say, the bottle is just killing me here. I also got the new Pure Wonder in the new packaging. It probably does smell the same. I got a shower gel, and I also got the lotion. So I will be reviewing Pure Wonder again, because this was one that came out last year. I actually like Luminous better. I like Luminous better than Pure Wonder, which is Iced Rosé, Star Jasmine, and Warm White Amber. I gotta say, I am loving Luminous. So, I got that today. I also got, check it out, I got Vanilla Icicles in the pocket bag. I got Fresh Sparkling Snow. One of these days, I'm going to do a huge video with all my pocket bags. I have so many pocket bags, you guys. I got Frozen Lake. I got, what else did I get? I got Winterberry Ice. This one is new. And then I also got Strawberry Snowflakes. This one is really, really cool. I did see a couple of new pocket bag holders. There was a reindeer. That smells really good. And a cinnamon bun. I'll put those up on Instagram. But the big thing, other than Luminous, that I got, oh my gosh, you guys, check it out. I got my hands on, yes, 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 Raspberry Thumbprint. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I want to review this fairly quickly. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, we need a body care in this. There's some layers in this one. So this one is buttery shortbread, rich raspberry jam, sprinkled with powdered sugar. This is pure on bakery, you guys. It smells really, really good. I gotta say, I'm excited about this one. This one, the lid. We also have the peppermint sugar cookie, which actually is on the other side of my desk. I forgot. I moved everything to Halloween. Like, I got nothing back there for Christmas or fall. But look at the jar. It is absolutely beautiful. I know a lot of people are going to want to get their hands on this one for Christmas. So I was super excited to get that a little bit early. So, oh my gosh, you guys. Lots happening at Bath & Body Works. Fall is pretty much selling out. Today's actually the last day you can do the 10 off 30. Also, buy 3, get 3, and candles are $13.95. So if you're searching for some fall, my store is so low on fall body care. I mean, it's only October 1st, and like, there's very little left. I think there's a fall sale coming up. There are rumors that it's going to be higher than 50%, which I'm excited about. As soon as I have more information on that, I will let you know. But there's a big fall sale brewing out there, which is exciting. But the problem is fall is so low. I think what they're trying to do is just move fall out of here because Bath & Body Works wants to move in Christmas, which is, this is going to be the big Christmas, you know, signature scent, obviously the Luminous, but there's a lot coming for Christmas. And I think people are excited this year about Christmas, like really excited. I mean, already I'm feeling it with Raspberry Thumbprint. Oh my gosh. This smells like pure on bakery and raspberry jam. I gotta say, I am loving this one. So anyway, little sneak peek there. I'm like, oh my goodness, Christmas! And here I've got Halloween up. But we're gonna do a Halloween video next, and we'll see what happens. I want to keep my background up until October 31st. I always cave. Oh my gosh. Christmas gets so exciting. We shall see. I'll try and keep it up as long as I can. It's so pretty though. I'm loving Halloween right now. Anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.